find the value of 1 upon 4 into x minus 5 into q minus x. This is one term, minus this is other term. This is too big. Okay, so we won't waste our time in this spelling it now. So let's solve, make this a and make this b. Solve a first. A is what? 1 upon 4 into, solve this here, multiply this bracket, 1 upon 4 into x, right, minus this 1 upon 4 into 5, so 5 upon 4 into q minus x. Okay, solve this bracket now. So it will be 1 upon 4 into x minus 5q upon 4, and this minus into minus plus, so it will be plus 5x upon 4. Okay, again solve this. 4 for x common, right? So this becomes 5 plus 1, 6x upon 4 minus 5q upon 4, right? Solve this to minimum. Say 2 3s are 2 2s are. So 3x upon 2 minus 5q upon 4. This is A. Now solve B. See here, don't take this minus sign because we are doing A minus B. So minus is already inbuilt over there. Just take this B without any sign. So 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 3. 3 gets cancelled. It becomes 1 upon 2 into q minus x upon 3 as it is, right? Minus. Now again this 3 upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon 9. So it gets 2 to cancelled. 1s are 3s are. 1 by 3 into this full bracket as it is. Now let's solve these inner brackets. So this becomes q upon 2, right? 1 upon 2 into q minus this x upon 6, right? Up to this step clear? Then solve this. So minus 1 upon 3 into x, see here it's a minus sign. So everything will get changed inside. Don't solve this inner bracket right now. Okay? So minus x upon 3, and here minus into minus plus, right? So 3 ones are 3 ones are. So 1 upon 4 into q minus 4x upon 5 as it is. You are not solving it now. First solve the square bracket, then the brace bracket, and then the circular bracket. See here, there are three types of brackets. That is called as brace bracket, square bracket, and these circular brackets. See this. This is parenthesis. Somebody calls it circular brackets, square brackets, angle brackets, brace brackets, and this is slashes. Okay. So now solve this circular bracket. Keep everything as it is over here. Then 1 upon 4 into q, that is q upon 4, plus sign outside. So no sign change. Minus 4 ones are 4 ones are, x upon 5. Okay, now get the similar terms whichever they are. This is 2q plus q, q same, and this LCM is 4. So 2 2s are. So 2q it becomes over here. 2q plus q, that is 3q upon 4. Now x, bring them in one bracket. Now when you bring them in one bracket, adjust the signs accordingly. There is minus sign outside, so this it will be plus, this it will be plus, and this also plus. That's why, how? If you minus this, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, right? Now solve the inner bracket. LCM of 5, 3 and 6, that is 30. So 6 5s are 5x over here, 3 10s are, so 10x over here, 5 6s are, so 6x over here. Bring everything to the LCM as well as the numerators also. Up to this step clear? Next, 3q upon 4, this to solve this you will get 21x upon 30. So B is now 3q upon 4, this gets solved, 3 7s and 3 10s, 7x by 10. But do we want this A and B separately? No. What is our question? Question is A minus B. You have to solve this. This was A and now we have got B. So A minus B equals to, put the values, 3x by 2 minus 5q by 4 minus this is B, 3q by 4 minus 7x by 10. Solve this minus, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. Bring the similar terms together. You get 15 and LCM. LCM is 2 10. So 2 5s are. So 15x plus 7x upon 10, and this minus minus, this becomes plus. 5 plus 3, 8q by 4, that is 2. Then 22x by 11, that is 11x by 5 minus 2q by minus 2q. See here, you solve it yourself. This I have taken it fast because it's now not worth wasting the time. LCM is important, this is important, and just